Hi there, Taylor with Contral Trailers here again with my good friend Jeff Noble with Contain It Mobile Storage here in Ohio. Now we're going to demonstrate how to offload the first 20 that was at the front of the trailer. We've already pulled the lock pins and the stop blocks that were in the way to push the container back a little bit more using the chain drive. We'll show you how to finish it off now. Jeff is going to take this push bar and put it in place to push the container off. Once your push bar is in place, run your chain winch in reverse to push the push bar into the container. From here, the push bar will begin to push the container to the rear of the trailer. Once the container is overhanging from the tail of the trailer, similar to how it was with your first container, feel free to tilt your trailer back to the tilted position to allow the corner castings to touch the ground. From here, you can either pull out from underneath the container, similar to the first load, or you can use the push bar to push your truck and trailer forward to ensure no damage to the concrete or the container. This concludes the unloading process for your second 20. Now your trailer is back to the parallel position with the axles forward and you're ready for your next load. Thank you.